Hi, and welcome to the video. Right now I'm just in the process of fixing the transmission line right here. Right now I just had to put all this compression fittings and stuff into it because, you know, when you get wrench happy, you get wrench happy, and it's not very fun to have to fix the consequences. So, without further ado, I got this thing tied in, got it all tightened. Now just finishing up tightening it, and it should be good. Yep. Now that we have the transmission line locked in and tied down for the return and the sending line on the radiator, we are very well off. We can probably go ahead and put something in to cap those ends off, but I think we're good for now. I'm very happy. This has been pretty irritating. You know, always look when you take your 5/8 wrench to take it out. Put the 5/8 wrench on the one that's furthest out, and then find the wrench that fits this one. In my case, it was 19mm, and hold that one while you twist the farthest out one, because otherwise you're going to twist and break your lines, and you're not going to be happy at all. So this is kind of a vlog, you know. I mean, most of my videos are kind of vlogs, but anyways. So tonight, I am going to do the dishes before I start dinner. I'm going to get these ones put away, and then I'm going to go ahead and make something for dinner. There's a lot of stuff that I can do. The fridge is full. Full. Like, not you open one door and the other side's completely empty. Full. I mean, full. We are ready for me to make something for dinner. But what I do need to do is I need to get a movie set aside and ready to set up and start when Grandma and Grandpa get home. So, they referenced a movie in this one. This was a really funny one. They referenced this movie called God's Army. I just found it on cassette. Yeah, we have a cassette player because we're awesome. But yeah, I'm going to get that one put in and set up so that it can start, and we can have a good night. For those of you that aren't cool, this is what a cassette looks like. Wow. How crazy is that? Yeah. So, without further ado, and you always have to press the rewind button. It's rewinding. And as it gets closer to done, it sounds more like a supercharger. Here it is, sounding like a supercharger. Yeah, but thank you guys for watching. I know this is a pretty short video. You like my little ads. So these are actually Ford ads that come in the mail. I cut the pictures out of the front of them, and you know, I really like the quality of those pictures. Well, that's up there. But thank you guys for watching. God's Army was a really great movie. If you've never seen it, you should go watch it. I was actually, I think, my first time watching it. Oh man, you gotta go watch it. Also, dinner was good. I'm gonna put in some montage pics of that. But like, subscribe, share with your friends. If you think I should do more cooking content, let me know. But yeah, it's been a good one.